Molex Flexi-Latch Connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, are automotive-grade FFC and FPC connectors that provide a compact, keyed, latch-secured interface for EV and battery management interconnects. The connectors feature gold-plated contacts in 1.5mm pitch single row and 2.0mm pitch dual row options. Single cable versions with 12 to 24 positions are rated for 250 volts and have an 8.56mm height when mated, while dual cable versions with 32 to 40 positions are rated for 400 volts and have a 10.28mm height when mated, supporting lightweight and compact designs with secure mating. Both versions are rated for 1 amp per contact and operation from -40 to +105 degrees Celsius. A relay receptacle for cable-to-cable connections is also available. In battery systems, the challenge is fast assembly plus confidence that every connection is fully seated. Flexi-Latch Plus connectors simplify the manufacturing process through ease of assembly and adds cable locking with visual confirmation of mating. The connectors simplify and speed up assembly with a two-step process. First, the FPC or FFC is inserted into the Flexi-Latch Plus plug, producing an audible click when fully inserted. This can be done manually or via automation. An optional integrated secondary lock can be inserted for additional security. Then, the cable plug assembly is inserted into the receptacle that is soldered to the PCB, with a connector position assurance lock to ensure correct mating and enhance retention. To improve reliability and help prevent connector mismating, Flexi-Latch Plus connectors feature a scoop-proof design, mechanical keying, and a reverse polarity design. For manual handling, they provide insulation for operator safety. Flexi-Latch Plus is also designed to improve contact reliability through multiple contact points, enhancing its reliability in high shock and vibration environments. Molex Flexi-Latch Plus connectors are US CAR 2 V2, LV214 S1, and PG19 compliant. They're well suited for multiple transportation applications including battery packs, battery management systems, battery module-to-module interconnects, and other vehicle subsystems needing keyed, vibration-tolerant connections. They can also be used for compact power distribution in ATVs as well as in battery backup infrastructure in data centers, energy storage systems, and other industrial applications. Molex Flexi-Latch Plus connectors are available now on Mouser.com.